The Napali Coast is a 17-mile stretch of rugged coastline on the northwest side of the island of Kauai in Hawaii. The coast is characterized by towering cliffs, deep valleys, and pristine beaches, and it is one of the most beautiful and popular destinations in the state. The Napali Coast is home to a number of state and national parks, including the Koke'e State Park and the Napali Coast State Wilderness Park. These parks are home to a variety of flora and fauna, including native plants, birds, and marine life. The coast is also home to a number of hiking trails, including the Kalalau Trail, which is a challenging 11-mile hike that takes hikers through the heart of the coast. One of the best ways to experience the Napali Coast is by boat. There are several companies that offer boat tours of the coast, which allow visitors to see the coastline from the water and get a closer look at the cliffs and valleys. The tours often include stops at secluded beaches and snorkeling spots, where visitors can see the marine life up close. The Napali Coast is a popular destination for photographers, as the combination of the rugged coastline and the crystal-clear waters make for some stunning photos. The coast is also a popular destination for nature lovers, as it is home to a variety of wildlife and provides a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Overall, the Napali Coast is a must-see destination for anyone visiting Kauai. Its beauty and natural wonders are truly breathtaking, and it is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. That's our video of the Napali Coast. Make sure to check another wonderful places videos on our playlist here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on another videos.